Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with another 6 trades. Today's date is July the 10th and I'm using my new pip trigger trading system. The pip trigger has this hull moving average, and when it changes from blue to red or red to blue, you'll get a pop-up alert box like this saying it's either changing down or up. Now, about 4 months after I put the videos together for the pip trigger, I got my hands on the super signal indicator and I put this on, and you can use the super signal indicator on any system that you might have, and it will make it immediately a much better trading system. This super signal makes it easy to find the beginning of the up and down cycles within the market. And this is great for traders who love to scalp the markets, especially on the 5-minute time frame. Has a very high success rate. Now every morning at 6 a.m. New York time, right where this vertical line is, I'm in front of the computer looking at all the different instruments and of course taking a look at my daily trade plan. Now here is the daily trade plan running in real time. I set it for day trading. In other words, I'm in the trade for only a few hours and then I close the trade. So in other words, as my mentor taught me, if you're a day trader, 30 minutes in the 1 hour is strong enough. So if you get 2 blues or 2 reds, it's basically ready to go. Now if you're a swing trader, well, you can easily change the settings to put more weight on the 4 hours in a daily. And of course, if you're a position trader, you can again change the settings to the weekly and the monthly. And then you keep in mind you'll have a much bigger stop loss. But I like to get in, grab those pips and ticks, get out, and be done trading for the day. Now, if you're trading without some kind of a daily trade plan, well, that's a very good reason why you are not succeeding. If you have any questions or comments, or even if you just want to buy the daily trade plan, well, just get in contact with me. And my preferred choice for contacting is Skype, so we can have a permanent connection and we can talk anytime that we are both available. Okay, now we can get into these trades. First one I did was the Euro Yen. Wanted to be selling it. We have the white arrow that I manually put in after I make a decision from the daily trade plan. And of course the blue and the red arrows, this is part of the super signal indicator. So let's see where I got in at. Now I knew that it can come back up a little bit and do another cycle. It didn't bother me. I knew it was going to hook around and keep working its way down. So I pulled the trigger here and I closed it out here, just being happy. Looks like with about 26 pips, and those pips paid out $190. Moving along to the next trade, which is the S&P 500. Now this one pays $5 for each tick. Wanted to be buying it from the daily trade plan. There's the arrow right here. Let's see where I got in at. Again, did a bit of a pullback. I wasn't too worried about it. Pulled the trigger here. Now I took the money and divided by 5, and the calculator says it should be 42. And might give me a bit of a hard time. Don't know until I try one more time. Well, it is 42.4. That's as close as I'm going to be able to get, but let's just put it at 42. And those 42 ticks paid out $212. Moving along to the next trade, which is the pound yen. This one I wanted to be selling it. Did qualify for a great way to trade as I teach within the training videos. Let's see where I got in at right here. Went a little bit up, not very much, and it could have gone easily up to this area. After you see it 1,000 times, you just know how the market is going to move. So I took the trade at that point and I closed it out, looks like with about 37 pips, and those pips ended up paying out $260. Moving on to the next trade, here it is, crude oil, which pays $10 for each tick. Looking at the money, this should be 30, so let's drag and drop this up as I knew that I wanted to be buying it. Would not trade without a daily trade plan, as it points me in a direction that it should be going. There's no 100% guarantee, but 95% success rate is really, really high. What did I say? 30. There it is right there. 30 ticks, and that paid out $300. Okay, let's move on to the next trade, which is the Dow Jones. Now on the Dow Jones, pays $5 for each tick. So I took the money, divided it by 5, and the calculator says it's 108. So I bought it from the daily trade plan, did one more cycle down. That's the way the market moves. I knew it was going to go up. It's just a waiting game. And what did I say? 108. 108. There it is right there, 108. And that paid out $540. Moving right along to the last trade, which is the Russell. This one pays $10 for each tick. Looking at the money, this should be 80. So Russell, let's see where I got in at. I bought it. Here's the arrow. There's a cycle it did. Like I mentioned, if I stayed in a trade, I'd be up a lot more. Probably double that. But that's okay. I knew just by looking at the money, I was going to have it over 200 pips and ticks. And, I'm done trading before 10 a.m. in the morning. And I have the rest of the day to do as I please. This should be 80. Let's see what I'd be up right now. 240. But I was happy with this 80. There it is right there. 80, and that paid out $800. So another great day of trading. Great way to start out the week. I added up all the pips and the ticks. As I mentioned, it's going to be over 200. It is. 323 pips and ticks, and that paid out $2,303. So if your system's not producing on a daily basis like my pip trigger, I recommend you get your hands on it, and don't forget about the daily trade plan. Now if you have any questions or comments, or you want to buy, all you got to do is get in contact with me. To do so, all you got to do is look right below this video. So like I mentioned, when you're looking at the video, right below the video here, you will see this button right here. It says show more. All you're going to do is click on it, and then you're going to scroll down. As I mentioned, I do prefer Skype. Here it is right here. Made it easy for you. All you got to do is click on it. And even if you think you don't have Skype, well, if you have a computer and or cell phone, you click on this, and we will be connected through Skype, and at that point I will be able to answer your questions. Please keep in mind there's 4 things you need to succeed at trading. A lot of chart time, a lot of demo trading, a lot of education, and I do have a lot of education, 678 gigabytes on my computer, and well over 25,000 training videos. And of course, you need a daily trade plan. Now, if you leave your name and email address, I'll put you on my email list for free weekly trading tips. Now, there's 4 different packages. I recommend buying all 4 packages. Each package is $250. Have a special offer. If you buy 2 packages, I'll give you 1 for free. So on this first package, and this one is the one that I have and I'm using at this point in time. Keep in mind that it does not include the super signal, as I got the super signal about 4 months after I put the videos together. Super signal comes in a package called Easy Trader System. Now there's 22 training videos in the first package. The videos are up to approximately 30 minutes long each. Then I have How I Trade Live with lots of advanced trading tips. Show you all the steps I go through as I'm trading. Again, 20 training videos. Daily Trade Plan has 4 training videos, and the Easy Trader has 4 training videos. Now as you scroll further down, I show in each package what I teach. And there are plenty of things that I teach. The more that you learn, the better you will be as a trader, and you will be making more and more, and eventually a lot of pips and ticks like I do every day. Next package, How I Trade Live with the advanced trading tips. I start showing you all the steps as I go through when I'm trading, starting with the daily trade plan and all the different things I teach. Next package, as I mentioned, it's a must. You must have this, or else there's a very good reason why you're not succeeding in your trading. And of course, further down, it's the Easy Trader System with the Super Signal Indicator. Now, if you want to get in contact with me, simple, pick up the phone and call me. Here's my number. If you want to send me an email, well, here's my email address. I am in Cambridge, Ontario, Canada. Again, another link for my Skype connection. Now, please take note. Once you buy it, you have it, you own it. There's no way I can take it back. You have a permanent copy of it. So please note that there's no refunds. So it's just about time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay? Bye for now.